Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will look at understanding your variables in Pandas using the describe function. So describe function is a very straight to go function. So you have a movies underscore df. So as we know, we have the movies data frame. And when you write describe, so see what it does is, it will describe the statistical properties. Fine. So what do I mean by statistical property? Let us look at our IMDb database, right? So whenever you say the describe function, it will ignore all the columns having string values, right? So there's see all our string values, that will ignore those. Only those having integers and floats will be treated, right? So for example, we have the rank, the year, runtime, etc. So you can see rank, year, runtime, and all those columns having integer or float values. So describe will give you the summary of the values. So it says the count. Count means the number of values. So as we know, our data set has 1000 rows. So it gives you how many rows are there, right? Metascore, since it has few null values also, it will exclude the null values and give the null values. So we have 936. Then we have the mean. So for rank, so rank as you see has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 1000. So mean is automatically 500.5, 1001 divided by 2. Right. Similarly, basically, see in this case, year and all, the mean of a year does not have any sense, but obviously the mean of the rating does make a sense, right? So in this 1000 movie, the average of the rank rating is 6.7, which shows it's a collection of good movies, right? Average votes that every movie got is almost 1.6 into 10 raised to 5, which is again a good figure, right? This is a standard deviation, the minimum value and the maximum value. And these are the quartiles, 25%, 50%, and 75%. So whenever you deal with quartiles, the simplest method is you sort the numbers, or you sort the array, or you sort the list that you are looking upon. So for example, if you can see this, the rank ranges from 1 to 1000, right? The minimum rank is 1, the maximum rank is 1000. So if I sort 1 to 1000 ascending order, so the first 25th% of the value, so first 25% of 1000 is 250. So that is 250, fine. 50% is the half the value, basically the median. 50% and the median are the same. Quartile 3 is 75% of the data set, which represents the 750th value. Right? So describe will give you a rich statistics about your data set. This helps you to analyze, okay, what does my Pandas data frame represent. Similarly, for example, if you can see, this will by default give all the columns which have a integer or a float data type, fine. So if you want to pick a particular column, for example, so you can also have a df for genre. So if you see for genre, in this case, genre is this particular column, and you are saying it to describe. Now, as I said you, if you want to have statistics, you can only deal with integers and float values. But for example, this genre column is having strings in it, right? So how does Pandas deal with it? Pandas automatically identify that, okay, the data type is object or string. So you can see it gives the count. Count is 1000, fine enough. Unique values. So what it means by unique? So see, unique you can do in Excel also. So let me copy this column, paste in here, and then do a data and say remove duplicates. So see, it says 793 duplicate value found and removed, 208 unique value remain, and out of which one is the header, right? Genre is the header. So basically we have 207 unique values. So you can see here, unique is 207. Then it says top. Top means action, adventure, and sci-fi. This was the object received with the highest frequency. So let us say, as an example, if I have apple, apple, rainbow, 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 and cat. So rainbow came 3 times, apple came 2 times, cat came 1 time. So the top will basically be rainbow. So in this case, so the genre, action, adventure, and sci-fi is the most watched genre in this 1000 movies. Then frequency is 50. So basically action, adventure, and sci-fi appears 50 times. So this is how you can use describe for dealing with numeric data. It will give you all the standard deviation and the pi numbers. And if you are dealing with object, you can get the frequency, the top count, and the total count. Similarly, if you want to have, there is a function called value count. So value count can tell us the frequencies of all values in a column, right? So see, action, adventure, and sci-fi give us the top one, which is the highest frequency. And value counts, what basically it will do, value counts selects all the unique genres that are present in this, because we are select the column genre. and for each of that unique value, what is the total count. So you can see drama appeared 48 times, comedy drama was 31, crime, drama and thriller appeared 24 times, right? I am saying head of 10, so basically gives the top 10. I can say head of 15. Okay, I didn't execute the data set. So that is why. So I have to execute all the cells one again. Okay, run all. So it will take some time. So the basic idea of describe is to have a description about your data frame as a whole or the overall data set, or you can plug individual columns also. Fine. So that's it for this particular tutorial. So let us see description. Okay. There is some issue, but I will just get back to this in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.